Today we're hiking Arthur's Rock in Lory State Park. It's one of the iconic hikes in Fort Collins, and we have friends along. We have Steve, who's a high school friend of mine, and Audra, his wife. They have a YouTube channel as well. Steve's already tired and we haven't even started yet.
Oh.
If the hike turns out to be a little more than you were interested in, there's an overlook about a mile in that you can also get a pretty decent view. It's not quite like the top, but it's not nothing. Usually we do our hiking in the morning, but today we're actually going in the afternoon because that's what worked for the schedule, and that's one of the great things about Arthur's is that being so close to town and such a short hike that it works. This hike has always been one of our favorites. It's close to town and it's a pretty good payoff for the amount of work that you put in. It's a 3-mile round trip hike and the views are amazing.
Yeah, it's really nice to get a good view of the Horsetooth Reservoir as well as town, so you can point out your house from here.
Right down
there.
Usually you just get to hear what we think of hikes, and so today I wanted to also get another opinion for you from Steve. What do you guys think of the hike?
I loved it. It was a workout. There were points where I thought my heart was going to jump right out of my chest, but what a beautiful view.
Yeah, it really is. It's incredible. Definitely a little bit strenuous, but not too hard, I don't think, and definitely worth it. An amazing view. For us, it's fun because we've done so much travel on the East Coast. It's so different out here. It's really cool.
Yeah, definitely recommend it.